Here's a quick demonstration of what exactly is wrong with the perspective warp in the latest version of Photoshop CC. This is Photoshop CC 22.3.1, which is the latest version right now. This PC has an NVIDIA RTX 2060 with the latest NVIDIA drivers installed. That's version 466.27 right now. And everything is running on Windows 10 version 20H2 with all the available updates installed. So everything should be up to date, pretty much. Here's a random photo of a bathroom. Now let's just, for demonstration purposes, put a red dot up here. Now let's apply a perspective warp, which is called Perspektivische Verformung in my German UI. We draw the layout box around the image and then click on Verformen, which should be warp in the English UI. And you can see it went to a 100% zoom of the left top corner of the image. And that's why I drew the red dot there before. If I move the handles here, you can see it technically still works, but it's pretty useless because you can't really see what you're doing. Let's revert that and put a smaller layout box somewhere in the image. And as you can see, the exact same thing happens.